Baking problems? We have all been there. Have you ever had a cake that sunk so badly that it looked like a crater? Well, don't worry, because you are not alone. Today, we are tackling the most common baking problems and giving you simple fixes that work every single time. But before I share that, drop your most frustrating baking fail in the comments below and let's solve them together. And hey, don't forget to save and share this video if you have ever faced these issues. Let's go and understand why do my cakes sink in the middle. This happens when the oven temperature is too low or you have opened the oven door too soon. Remember, always preheat your oven properly and avoid peeking until almost done. Double check your ingredient measurements too. Second question, why are my cookies hard instead of chewy? Overbaking is the culprit. For this, try reducing your baking time and check your oven's temperature accuracy. Adding more brown sugar can also help make them chewier. Next question, why does my bread not rise properly? Inactive yeast or not enough proofing time could be the issue. For this, check your yeast freshness and give the dough enough time to rise fully before baking. Why do my cupcakes have that dome top instead of flat ones? Overmixing is the result, or could be even high oven temperature. This can cause doming. For this, mix the batter until just all the ingredients are combined together and reduce your oven temperature slightly. Why is my buttercream separating? Butter temperature matters too. If it is too warm or too cold, the texture can split. So ensure that the butter is softened to room temperature for the best results. So, which of these baking problems have you ever faced? Share your experiences in the comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share this video with fellow bakers. Let's keep improving together. See you in the next video. Happy baking!